Welcome to the second part of So You Want to Start a Drone Business. And today we're going to be looking at your logo and the name of your company. This will be what sets you apart from the rest. Cue the music. If you haven't seen the first part of So You Want to Start a Drone Business, you can check it out here. So your branding is probably the most important part that will set you apart from everyone else within the business, and this is what you should concentrate on. I have seen many companies who have bad logos and bad names, not just in the drone business, but in many other businesses. But within the drone business, although the industry is still very young, there's still quite a few companies out there, and we're all kind of fighting for the same kind of work, but you need to stand out from the rest. That's what we do. I'm more than happy and delighted at the fact that we do stand out from the rest. I think that we got lucky, I don't know, maybe, but we did spend time on our logo, especially our new logo. Our first logo we had when we first started the company over 2.5 years ago, and it was just a generic drone picture. We had the name, which I thought was one of the best names, and I still think it's one of the best names, the Flyby Guys. And just about 6 months ago, we started to think about, should we rebrand? Because we were getting more and more attention, we were getting a lot more inbound. Our logo was very generic, so it wasn't really our own. It was something you can get just off the internet. So we thought about it, we contacted a designer and we paid him to give us examples. And it took us 2 months to decide on what kind of logo it should be. And we stuck with what we have now, and that's the yellow and black. And it went that way for a reason, because it stands out. The name stands out, but also the logo stands out. And this is what you have to focus on. Focus on your logo, focus on your name. Make sure that they will stand out. Your logo should say many things. It should tell you who you are. It should tell you what you're doing. It should be your personality. Think of the name, think of the logo, then you should go and register your company. Before you register, make sure that you concentrate on the name and the logo itself. You might not want to spend too much money on a design. You can do that later on if you want to rebrand. That's something that we done. We did rebrand later. It didn't cost us too much money. It cost us about 500 euros to rebrand, which wasn't so bad really. It could have been. I think that it's a lot more. I think the value that we got for it is actually fantastic, and we will stick with that for a very, very long time. My advice is not to go local. Don't go local as in, if you're from Indonesia, that you have an Indonesian name. If you are from France, you have a French name. Try to go English, because it's a lot more easier for companies outside of your country to contact you, because they will see what you're doing. Again, the logo, the name will tell exactly what you do, and it's easy for them. If they're looking for a partner, if they're looking for someone to jump into a project, they will be, they will be looking at something quickly. They won't be spending time. They will find, and then they will contact you. Only after then will they decide that you're the right company or not. So don't think, let's say Jakarta drones or Leon drones or something. I think that you really should go, something a bit more generic that says exactly what you do. I'm not a great lover of localization when it comes to names. I think that that it should be a kind of a generic name that doesn't tell where you are, but it tells what you do. It shows what you do, and it gives your personality. Make sure you have a logo and a name that is your personality. It's that simple. I hope that this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please put them down below. If you need any advice when it comes to setting up a drone company, you can contact me and we can discuss what we can do. I'm usually giving out consultation to companies that need any help. Make sure you like and subscribe. Part 3 will be coming very soon. I've got some really exciting news about some business that we've been doing, and I'll be sharing that with you very, very soon when we can. So until next time, fly safe.